Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, factorize x square minus 7xy plus 12y square. The middle term minus 7xy can be broken down as minus 4xy minus 3xy. Taking out x common from the first two terms, we are left with x minus 4y, and taking out minus 3y common from the last two terms, we are again left with x minus 4y. So taking out x minus 4y common, we are left with x minus 3y, which is the final result. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize y to the power 4 plus 7y square plus 12. The middle term 7y square can be broken down as 4y square plus 3y square. Taking out y square common from the first two terms, we are left with y square plus 4. Taking out 3 common from the last two terms, we are again left with y square plus 4. Now taking out y square plus 4 common, we are left with y square plus 3. This is the final result. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize s square t square minus 2st cube minus 63t to the power 4. First, we take out t square common from the complete expression, and we are left with s square minus 2st minus 63t square. Next, we break down the middle term, that is minus 2st, as minus 9st plus 7st. Taking out s common from the first two terms, we are left with s minus 90. Taking out 70 common from the last two terms, we are again left with s minus 90. Now taking out s minus 90 common, we are left with s plus 70. So the simplified expression is t square into s plus 70 into s minus 90. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize each of the given algebraic expressions: a, x square minus 7x plus 6, b, x square plus 8x, c, 6x square minus 7x minus 5, d, x square plus 2xy minus 8y square. The first expression is x square minus 7x plus 6. Here, minus 7x can be broken down as minus 6x minus x. Taking out x common from the first two terms, we are left with x minus 6. Taking out minus 1 common from the last two terms, we are again left with x minus 6. Taking out x minus 6 common, we are left with x minus 1. So the final result is x minus 6 into x minus 1. Expression B is x square plus 8x. Taking out x common, we are left with x plus 8. So the final result is x into x plus 8. Coming down to third expression, that is 6x square minus 7x minus 5. Minus 7x can be broken down as minus 10x plus 3x. Taking out 2x common from the first two terms, we are left with 3x minus 5. Taking out 1 common from the last two terms, we are left with 3x minus 5. Taking out 3x minus 5 common, we are left with 2x plus 1. So the final expression is 3x minus 5 into 2x plus 1. Taking the last expression, that is x square plus 2xy minus 8y square, we can break down the middle term as 4xy minus 2xy. Taking out x common from the first two terms, we are left with x plus 4y. Taking out minus 2y common from the last two terms, we are again left with x plus 4y. Now taking out x plus 4y common, we are left with x minus 2y. So the final result is x plus 4y into x minus 2y. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, factorize a to the power 9 plus b to the power 9. A to the power 9 plus b to the power 9 can be written as a to the power 3 whole cube plus b to the power 3 whole cube, and we know that x cube plus y cube can be written as x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Therefore, a to the power 9 plus b to the power 9 becomes a cube plus b cube into a to the power 6 minus a cube b cube plus b to the power 6. Again, a cube plus b cube can be broken down into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square whole into a to the power 6 minus a cube b cube plus b to the power 6. This is the required solution. Thank you.